In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel files into Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful for those who frequently work with data across different platforms and want a seamless transition from Excel to Google's ecosystem. We'll guide you through the entire process to ensure you can manage your data effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you're not sure how to do that, simply navigate to Google Sheets by typing in Google Sheets in your browser or accessing it via your Google account. Once you're in Google Sheets, you should see a clean, new sheet ready for use. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you see the File option. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, look for and click on Import. The Import button is your gateway to bringing your Excel data into Google Sheets. After you've clicked on Import, the next step is to click on Upload. This option allows you to select a file directly from your computer. You'll be presented with an option labeled Browse. Click on Browse to begin searching through your files. Navigate through your folders to find the Excel file you wish to import. Once you've located your preferred file, select it. With your file selected, you now have a few options for how you'd like to import it into Google Sheets. This decision will depend on what you need. If you want to keep your current sheet and simply add this new data, or if you're fine replacing everything, Google Sheets provides that flexibility. For those looking to bring the data into a completely new document, you'll want to select Create New Spreadsheet. This option creates an entirely new Google Sheet document for your uploaded Excel file, leaving your current sheet just as it is. Alternatively, if the data from your Excel file should replace the contents of the existing Google Sheet, select Replace Spreadsheet. With your selection made, the final step is to click on Import Data. Once you do this, Google Sheets will process the file and integrate its data as per your instructions. The speed of this process can vary depending on the size of your Excel file and the speed of your internet connection. Voila! Your Excel file has now been successfully imported into Google Sheets. You can begin editing, sharing, or performing any required data analysis in line with Google's suite of tools. Remember, this process offers both flexibility and control, enabling you to maintain consistency across your projects without the hassle of starting from scratch. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.